Hey everyone, Jim T. Graham back with Mike from Robart, and today we're talking about something everyone gets excited about. I would say this is as cool as really nice smoke on a giant scale plane, and that is retracts.
You got it. Yep. Today we're talking about the new Top RC P47 combo kits that Robart has. We offer it in electric and pneumatic. So that's what we're talking about today. If you've picked up the new Top RC P47 and you want good scale retract for it, these are them. And it's a full combo kit. So I'm going to show you what you get on each one of them. So for your retracts themselves, you get your pair of mains and you get your tail retract. Very similar to the tail retract that we did for the Corsair. Some slight modifications to it. And I will go ahead and move this off to the side so we can show you the mains in operation. We beefed up the strut on this because this P47 is a big one. It's got a lot of heft, so this is a 3/4 inch strut. We've got a good beefy center loading retract here. And I will go ahead and plug it in on the electric side so that you can see the operation. And I can't get any further down. I'm sorry, Jim.
Right. So, they're so big.
Yeah. You do have the scale offset. So you have a beautiful scale offset, scale look here. 90-degree retract. Okay. Good, real stout gear. You've got your positive locks on the up and the down so that when you land, the energy is absorbed by the retract frame, and then the rails, it is not being absorbed by the actuator.
Right.
Okay. So get my wires out of the way, and then we have the full retracted.
Nice.
Okay.
Those things look great.
So that's the mains. Plop this out of here and move this out of the way. And I'll grab the tail retract. So the tail retract. When Top RC made these, they did some similar stuff to the Corsair because that was the second to last plane that they made was the Corsair. So they left the hind area, the tail area, real similar. So we were able to modify that tail retract from the Corsair to fit here. And so you got your over center lockout. So again, the actuator does not take the landing. The over center does, so the energy comes up and then it gets absorbed into the frame. You do have your plunger assembly on the back for absorption. It is a pull steering. So you have I don't know if I can you see, you could see the pull there, right?
Yes.
So and then when we go to retract, go ahead and retract them on up.
Man, those are so cool.
So those are the mains. That's the tail. I'll get this out of the way. And like I said, it is a combo kit. So you're going to get everything that you need to be able to do what you need. So you get your control box and you get your jumper. The jumper is going to take the information from the receiver over to the control box. Your control box has does the amp outs in it to control stoppage. The tail retract should be on setting type A. So A and B, type A, B for your mains. Quick rule of thumb, B is for big. So any of your big stuff, put it on type B. So that's your controller. You get a bunch of extensions. Now, you're going to get 4 24-inch extensions and 1 36-inch extension. The 36-inch extension is going to take you from the control box to the tail retract. From the wing root to where the gear is mounted. It's pretty long distance. So that's why instead of just doing the normal 12-inch, we went with 24-inch. Give you some room to move that wire, get it out of the way. And then I want you to be plugging and unplugging extensions. I do not want you plugging and unplugging from the control box every time that you take the gear, take your wings apart. So that's why we gave you a lot of extensions, and open up that wing root from the fuse, plug and unplug the extensions.
Awesome.
Well wheel axle bag, 1/4-inch axles. You've got your set screws. Once you get your distance set that you want, make sure that you do a grind flat on your axles and put some of that Zap Blue thread locker on your set screws. You don't want a tire falling off and then have to land without that.
You'll truly stick it.
Yeah.
Stick the landing.
Okay. Rims and tires. Everybody knows, as of the date of this video, tires are difficult to come by, but we're starting to get more. I was able to grab some from a customer's order before we shipped them out so that you can see them. 6-inch tires, big tires on this puppy. So we got 6-inch tires. These are the good solid core tires. 8-spoke hubs, 1/4-inch bushings in there. Right. And then for the tail, it's a 2-incher. We got a 6-spoke pattern on this, and then this is the hollow tire. If you need a little extra support, you can always add a foam insert in here. We do sell that separately.
Okay.
All right. And then of course you get all your lovely paperwork, your so on and so forth that comes with it. But now when we talk about the pneumatics, all right, one thing that we have done on the pneumatic side is to keep the price the same on these. We're adding an air kit and an extra set of 190s. No, traditionally, pneumatics are less expensive than electrics. So we're offering this so that the kit can be sold together, so that they are in there all together. So if you do end up buying a P47 from Robart, so as of the date of this video, and I'm going to look this up real quick right now. Apologize. Let me grab a couple things off of the computer. I should have had this for you. I'm going to get you some pricing as of the date of this video, because I know that's going to be your next question, isn't it, Jim?
Which is 4/27/2023.
4/27/2023. Okay. I'm selling the combo kit for the airplane, the top RC P47, with the retract unit, whether it's electric or pneumatic, either way, $2,799. I do not have a lot of stock on these, so if you are interested in one, give us a call at 630-584-7616 and choose the option for Robart sales, and you can talk to us. Now, if you're looking for the combo kit by itself, so if you were to get the plane somewhere else, all right, it's $1,199. All right.
Got it.
So that's like we said, as of the date of this this video, that's what we've got. All right, Jim.
All right.
And they are on the Robart website. So if you've got any questions, you can jump on the website. You can get some more information from us there. Give us a call. I gave you the number 630-584-7616. Shoot us an email, just sales@robart.com. Danny does a great job of getting back to people. We'll be able to reply to emails. As of the date of this video, I am going to Jonal. Not sure if this plane will be there or not, but if you got questions, you want to talk to me individually while I'm there, I will be at the Spring Jonal.
Will you be up on the hill by the
in the vendor row? Yep, in the vendor row.
Big tents. Yeah.
Yep, the big tent. We are in the same tent as the guys over at Balsa USA. So if you got questions on any of the Balsa USA stuff, you can always talk to them also. They are going to be there. But I'm there all week. I look forward to seeing you all there. Any of the questions on any of the Robart retracts, and like I said, if you're interested in that top RC P47 combo kit, I'm looking forward to talking to you about it. Jim,
Awesome.
questions, thoughts? What are you thinking?
I have no questions. I think those things look very cool, very well thought out, and very mechanical.
Yes, thank you. The P47, it's a wonderful plane in general, as you probably all knew. Robart had a P47 a long time ago. Everybody loves a P47. It flies so nice. It's big. It's heavy. It fights the wind nicely. So if you got a little bit of a windy day, they just love this plane.
Nice.
So,
all right. Well, be sure and check it out. I'll have links in the description below and also on RC Groups and flygiants.com. So you can check them out on either site. And as always, big thanks to Mike, who takes time out of his day to talk to us about this cool stuff.
Thank you, Jim. I appreciate everything that you're doing for the hobby and everybody that goes out on RC Groups. I know we get quite a few people that talk to us, that give us a call and says, hey, I was on RC Groups or I was on the forum and I bought this, or so on and so forth. And can you answer a question? Yeah, it's not a problem. So thank you, Jim. Appreciate everything that you're doing for the hobby also.
All right. All right, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye now.